GUI Programming with Python and Kivy by Kamil Pakula is an instructional guide designed to help readers develop graphical user interface (GUI) applications using Python and the Kivy framework. Key points. Audience and prerequisites. The book assumes no prior knowledge of the Kivy library. Readers should have a basic understanding of Python, particularly object-oriented programming. Structure and approach. Each chapter begins with a theoretical introduction to a specific topic or concept. These theoretical insights are then applied practically in the ongoing project. In this section, we delve into the core topics covered throughout our exploration. First, we discuss widgets, which are the fundamental elements of the graphical user interface. Next, we explore layouts, focusing on arranging and managing the positioning of widgets. We then move on to Kivy IDs and properties, which are crucial for managing and accessing different elements within the Kivy framework. Graphics come next, enhancing the visual elements of the application. We also cover screens, which are essential for managing different views and navigation within the app. Furthermore, we look into animation, adding dynamic elements to the user interface. Lastly, we touch upon sound, integrating audio features to enrich user interactions. The book guides the reader through the process of creating a game, applying the theoretical knowledge in a practical, hands-on manner. By the end of the book, readers will have a complete game, demonstrating their understanding and capability to use Kivy. Instructions for deploying the finished application to Windows are provided. By the end of the book, readers will have a comprehensive understanding of the Kivy framework and will be equipped with the skills to develop their own GUI applications, not limited to games. The hands-on approach ensures that readers can immediately apply what they learn, making the learning process engaging and practical. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.